And next we go back to the question in 2006, which is on the top of this page. And so you have origin, points A, B, 6006 respectively. And then so you're asked to find the coordinates of the incenter. Okay, so now I think I need to have a picture which helps me to understand the question. So you have A is 60, B will be all 06, and you have the origin, and of course you have to join the line, the points A, B, so which makes up of the triangle. Okay, so now you may start considering how I can find incenter. One way is, so you can draw angle bisector, you draw angle bisector, and then so you draw angle bisector in order to figure out the point to note. But you will find that this method doesn't work because it's very messy. And you don't know how to start it because it's not easy to turn angle into coordinates. So that's why this question we need a very special method to do so, which is also about inscribed circle that we just mentioned. Because when you have a right angle triangle lying along the xy axis as shown in the picture, so which means so now I can draw a circle which is right inside the triangle, in which the center of the triangle so is also the incenter of the triangle. So that means once I know this as once I study the circle properly, and then so I can find the center correctly. Okay, so now by your understanding of center, not center, your understanding of circle, so can you see that if its radius r of the circle, so what's this point would be? Yes, so this point would be RR. Okay, so RR. So that's why our question will be turning from finding incenter into finding the radius of the circle. Okay, and then now, so let's see how I should solve the problem. And so there's no angle here. So how about I think of using tangent properties? Because you will see in this circle, so OP is a tangent, OA is a tangent, and AB is also a tangent of the circle. So you remember I said when you talk about more than or equal to two tangents over there, so normally we need tangent property. So that means, so tangent property tells you that this length is R, so this length is also R. Well, by subtraction, you know this line in red, so it's 6 minus R. So that's why the other side will be also 6 minus R. Now turns to the third color. So by subtraction, this line will be 6 minus R because of the coordinates. And then so the other side will be also 6 minus R. So now that means the question comes to, do I have a way to find the hypotenuse? So this is the hypotenuse. Okay, let's wait. This is the hypotenuse here. And now you find that it composes of 6 minus R and 6 minus R. So that's why I need to find hypotenuse out in order to find out the radius. So now I will be doing like AB square will be 6 square plus 6 square. So which gives you AB, the hypotenuse, will be square root of 72. So as a result, 6 minus R plus 6 minus R will be square root 72. So whereas you can calculate that 2R will be 30, not 30, 6 is 12. 72 after simplifications, it should be minus 6 root 2. So that's why R will be 6 minus 3 root 2 afterward. And finally, so you remember that the in-center will be given by RR. So that's why it comes to D as the answer. So here's the end of the chapter. So you find that it's very hard, but yet so it all about the properties of the centers of the triangle, so that you can shift to other areas like coordinates, slope, midpoints, etc. So try hard in this part. I'm looking forward for your good performance in this part, centers of triangle.